Hey guys, in this video I'll be talking about static typing in Python. Python is a dynamically typed programming language, as you already know, which just means that you don't need to specify the data type of variables and parameters. But with Python version 3.5, they have introduced static typing, which now allows you to declare variable types, which is what I'll be showing you now. So let's say I want to create a variable which will hold the integer value. Then how would I do that? So I can create a variable, let's call it a. I have to put a colon, then int, and now I can put an equal sign and put in a value like 5. And now we can simply print out our variable, and boom, as you can see, it prints out 5. Now let's say we want to create another variable, but this time to hold a string value. So how do you do that? Let's call it b. We just need to do the same thing, and instead of int, we put string, and then we can create a string which says 7, for example. Oops. And then we can put b. Now if we run it, as you can see, we have got both values of a and b in here, 5 and 7. Now we've printed out two different data types. Well, what do you think would happen if we replace the comma with a plus? Do you think this will concatenate the values, or do you think it'll do something else? So let's run it and find out. As you can see, we have got an error over here, and the reason for this is because we can't put together a string value with an int value, because the plus operator basically is for addition, calculating additions, and you can't really add an integer value, which we've defined over here, with a string value. So this is the benefit of types. Since you can declare the variable type, you can properly say what it does and what it can't do. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something new about data types. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.